It will cross that much, 35 crores. The brand that you form or a person behind the brand, there is something which works for that brand person also. Maybe the Almighty helps him, maybe anybody, other factors which are helping him to make that brand. It is not only the company, it depends on the human also who is behind that brand, who has this passion around the brand and who takes it to the next level.
पावरफुल विजन है आपका, तो इसमें क्या हेल्थ केयर इंडिया का जो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम है इसके बिहाफ पे आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
इंडिया का हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम रियली नीड्स सच टाइप ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट. अभी नहीं है हमारे पास. Because of the efforts of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he has made that Ayushman Bharat Yojana, where the people are getting benefited for a quantum of around 5 lakhs for the illnesses that they have. एक dedicate करे wellness की तरफ, where we tell the people that what is the balanced food, how to protect yourself. We see that we have to reduce the burden on our health, which are not proportionate to the population of India that we have. 130 crores Indians. We do not have the health system to support. So it will be always better in the interest of the country. As a country, I must tell you, the wellness which should always be taken care of, so that illness does not come or it comes in a reduced intensity. I told him use in dengue fever. उसने पूछा कि इसको कैसे यूज करेंगे child में. So I told him take the capsule out, put it in a spoon, mix it with honey and let the child take it. That the way child can also be given.
आज की दुनिया में हम सब सक्सेस, ग्रोथ और अचीवमेंट्स के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, लेकिन एक सवाल है, अगर हमारी हेल्थ ही हमारा साथ नहीं दे तो उस सफलता के वास्तव में क्या अर्थ रह जाता है? सच्चाई यही है कि वेलनेस इज़ नो लॉन्गर ए चॉइस, इट्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. क्योंकि जब हम स्वस्थ होते हैं तो अपने सपनों को पूरी क्षमता के साथ जी सकते हैं. इसी सोच के साथ आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं ऐसे व्यक्ति से जिन्होंने वेलनेस को सिर्फ एक हेल्थ केयर सर्विस नहीं बल्कि एक मीनिंगफुल मूवमेंट बनाया है. आज हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर गौरव अरोड़ा, चीफ एक्सपीरियंस ऑफिसर एट अल्केमिस्ट वेलनेस, जो मानते हैं कि वेलनेस प्रेसीड्स इलनेस. उनका उद्देश्य केवल बीमारियों का इलाज करना नहीं बल्कि लोगों को बीमार होने से पहले एक स्वस्थ और बेहतर जीवन देने के लिए प्रेरित करता है. आज की इस खास बातचीत में हम जानेंगे उनकी इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी, अल्केमिस्ट वेलनेस का विज़न, प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर की अहमियत और आने वाले समय में वेलनेस का भविष्य. वेलकम टू बिहाइंड द ब्रांड. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडे. वी आर ट्रूली डिलाइटेड टू हैव यू विद अस. Welcome to our show Behind the Brand. This is Shahia Mishra, your host. Today we have a very special guest, Mr. Gaurav ji. Hello sir.
Hello ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Nice to coming here.
Yeah.
सर आपकी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग रही है, राइट? आपने यहाँ मेंशन किया है कैडिला फार्मा के साथ आपने कई ब्रांड्स को लीड किया है, राइट? एंड वी हैव वन मोर थिंग लाइक आपने नो मार्क्स और डाइजोन जैसे ब्रांड्स को भी एग्जीक्यूट किया है. देन आफ्टर यू मूव इनटू द अल्केमिस्ट वेलनेस. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हाट द like process to get into this transition.
See, pharmaceutical has been in my blood. Like I'm born into a pharmaceutical type of a family. We had our own medical store. So I used to visit with this small child also. Used to go to the medical store, see the medicines which are all around. So that gave me the inspiration to move into the pharmaceutical arena. So when I got a chance with Cadila Pharma and I got a good exposure because with good mentors around there. We had a good, very good mentors like Mr. Lester D'Souza, who's heading a different strategy group now. So he gave me exposure of all the particular therapies which are available, like cardiovascular, gastroenterology, orthopedician specialty. So all the specialties I have covered and all the specialties I have made the brands. So big brands to talk about: Hemop, Asiloc, Calcirol, Fludac. And all the portfolios I've worked. Normally, at the entire portfolio, normally product managers or brand managers work for a one particular set of brand or a two particular set of brand. But I've worked with all set of brands covering almost all the portfolio. So got a very good exposure and chance to lead all the brands and take them to new highs. Then the experience with Ozone has been also great. And the managing director of the company, Mr. Sehgal, he's a great guy to work along. He was himself a very creative guy. So we worked on different projects. So Dizone was a product for de-addiction. So that was a very noble cause which we worked for.
De-addiction
of alcohol.
Of alcohol. Okay.
So that's something which we actually took it forward. Though it was a very small brand lying in one corner of the journey. So we brought it for a different purpose. So it had some very minute sales of some 4-5 lakhs all in. So what we did was we brought this brand into our kitty. We were having a cardiovascular division. So we brought that brand just to boost the sales. Now it went beyond the expectations which we were thinking of. So we brought it to just boost the sales, to give a portfolio of around 5-10 lakhs and see where it goes.
Okay.
but it started, so such was the prevalence of addiction in the country that doctors started prescribing, patients started taking, and I always used to think of ki how many boxes will it sell.
Okay.
So it kept on increasing year after year, year after year, from being just a 60 lakh brand. I think it's
Dizone, right?
Dizone. It's around it maybe 30-35 crores.
Okay.
So the history goes beyond, is like it was just lying in one corner. Nobody was hearing about it. I needed some pull to the division because we wanted to make it break even. So we got that product into the market. We thought we'll give it 5 lakhs, we'll scale to 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, whatever we will scale will be a bonus.
Okay.
But then it is actually went beyond the vision of, nobody thought it will cross that much, 35 crores. So I always believe that when the brand that you form, or a person behind the brand, there is something which works for that brand person also. Maybe the Almighty helps him, maybe anybody, other factors which are helping him to make that brand. It is not only the company. It depends on the human also, who is behind that brand, who has this passion around the brand, and who takes it to the next level.
सो हमने एक ऐड देखा था जब लाइक हम थोड़े से छोटे थे, तो नो मार्क्स का हम ऐड देखते थे, तो उसमें आपका
See,
क्या
No
रोल
Marks
है?
has been a journey which was started with doctors. It was not initially FMCG brand. We started the journey with doctors. We started promoting this lightning treatment to the doctors.
Okay.
But the results were very good because this was all done in our own farms, and so the Ayurvedic preparation was made from our own farms, and it got the eye. And then we participated in all major awards function, glad rags, and all types of festivals. So this became an iconic brand. So this was later sold to Bajaj.
बजाज.
Yeah, Bajaj consumers.
अच्छा,
They
जो
are,
उनको आपने सेल आउट कर दिया.
yeah. So then my transition into, when you come to Alchemist. Alchemist is a
Alchemist,
very big
wellness
organization,
आपका,
and
right.
they operate through 2 hospitals, and our chairman emeritus is Dr. KD Singh.
डॉक्टर केडी से.
Yeah. So there the products I found were completely different. They were not related to illness.
अच्छा.
So earlier the companies like Cadillon were working for illness. So there the product, he gave me a mandate, we will work on wellness as a part of the
Wellness,
portfolio.
alright.
Now this was something very surprising to me because a person who holds 2 hospitals,
Can
which
you
are
name
treated,
the 2 hospitals?
Alchemist Hospitals and Ojas Hospitals
Ojas
in Haryana,
Okay.
right? They are based out of Chandigarh.
All right.
So I was very surprised when the mandate was given to promote wellness, because I think today 99.9% of the companies work for illness only, because they
Illness
have
only,
solutions
yes,
for
yes,
illness.
yes.
Nobody is working for
Yes,
wellness. So he told me that go for wellness. So holding those 2 hospitals, that was something very strange to hear from him. He said ki we have made whatever money we want to make, but we really want to part our money with the society, and we should work on all efforts to bring that wellness revolution in India. And we had a brand, that IGTG Fort, which we took as a brand to take this movement forward.
Okay. That the wellness precedes illness.
Yes,
right?
this
आपका
was the
बहुत
concept.
बड़ा powerful vision है कि
Yeah,
wellness
precedes illness.
right?
If you have wellness, then definitely illness will not come. If illness will come also, that will be on its very reduced part. You will not be facing the same. If you take the disease earlier head on, and you are taken it well, and you have taken up preventive therapies, preventive steps, then definitely illness will not come that big to you.
All right. सो वेलनेस प्रीसीड्स इलनेस जो आपका एक पावरफुल विजन है, तो लोग जनरली डॉक्टर्स के पास तभी जाते हैं जब वो बीमार पड़ते हैं, राइट? बट तो इसमें आपका क्या विज़न है? एक पावरफुल विज़न है आपका, तो इसमें क्या हेल्थ केयर इंडियाज़ का जो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम है, इसके बिहाफ पे आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, इंडिया का हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम रियली नीड्स सच टाइप ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट. अभी नहीं है हमारे पास. बिकॉज ऑफ द एफर्ट्स ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, he has made that Ayushman Bharat Yojana, where the people are getting benefited for a quantum of around 5 lakhs for the illnesses that they have. But अगर हम उसका पार्ट, या अगर हम उसका कुछ पार्ट या एक डेडिकेट करें वेलनेस की तरफ,
Okay.
a part of that is dedicated towards wellness, where we tell the people that what is a balanced food, how to protect yourself from various infections, how to take care of your cleanliness, how to take care of your food habits, not to eat junk food. So I think we'll be reducing a major burden on our health system. So today the need is to treat it as that we must take care of wellness first. because once you wellness is treated, then illness
ठीक
is
है
not there.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स बट ये हमें कोविड के बाद थोड़ा सा पैटर्न देखने को मिला है
See,
कि जनरली लोग का प्रेफरेंस यही रहा है कि अब हम वेलनेस की तरफ ध्यान दें बिफोर गोइंग टू एनी काइंड ऑफ इलनेस
see,
राइट
in India, you have such a system that people are not ready to spend on healthcare. They may spend on a disease, on a major part,
ओके
but they're not ready to spend. But that COVID, which you just told about, that brought a change in the journey.
हाँ दैट
People are going towards now. Now people are thinking about
थिंकिंग अबाउट इट
supplements which can help boost their immunity and give them energy and everything for them to
of course
to take care, so that they actually do not they are protected from the illness further.
Yes,
So
yes.
that shift has definitely happened after COVID-19.
all right so like data what says according to this like pattern कि मतलब what are the datas mostly कि कौन से ज़्यादातर illness पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं and what are the datas for the wellness sector
See, wellness have started mostly online type of a business that has started happening. People are going towards supplements which are give them immunity so that they are not subjected to illnesses. So this is the right time to start. But
Right
COVID is the
time to
right time to
start.
start. The 2020 we should start, but within 2026. Now, once as a government we see that we have to reduce the burden on our health. We can reduce the burden on our health systems which are not proportionate to the population of India that we have. 130
Okay.
crores Indians. We do not have the health system to support. So it will be always better in the interest of the country. As a country, I must tell you, it should be the wellness which should always be taken care of, so that illness does not come, or it comes in a reduced intensity once you're taking care of wellness.
एक मेरे पास आपकी स्टोरी है बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है कि दैट यू कॉल लाइक यू गेट अ कॉल
Yeah,
फ्रॉम
yeah,
अ पेशेंट
Yeah.
राइट एंड सडनली दैट चेंजेस योर ओवरऑल थॉट
Yeah.
तो व्हाट इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट फॉर IGTG फोर्टे आल्सो
Yeah.
फ्रॉम योर सेक्टर जो भी है आपका सर
जी.
तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
See, when I joined this company, I got a mandate to promote is a brand in immunity. Now, immunity is a very big topic to talk about. You cannot say that you have immunity, you will treat dengue. You cannot say that if you have immunity, you will not get chikungunya. If you have immunity, you will not get the COVID-19.
अच्छा
You cannot say. But this product had a different story to tell. I got a call from a patient. Now this patient
प्रोडक्ट
was
नेम इज
IgTG Fort. Yes.
राइट
Got a call from a patient. He needed some colostrum. This contains bovine colostrum.
अच्छा
It is extracted from the cow's milk. He said that I need your 60 capsules. I asked him, what do you need it for? Because normally when I started off with this, I started asking people, what do you need? Why do you need this? So he said कि my mother is suffering from cancer, and
Okay.
And the doctor has given her some brand of bovine colostrum. And I asked him what use in which particular indication. So he said कि her platelet counts have dropped rapidly.
अच्छा
So in chemotherapy, when a doctor does a chemotherapy to a patient, give a chemotherapy, then this platelets count come down. So to restore that platelet count, he had been prescribed that bovine colostrum.
ओके
So he asked me, you have a brand of bovine colostrum? I said, yes. He said, can you give me 60 capsules?
60 capsules
60 capsules. मैंने कहा, I'll give you. मैंने कहा, how much the doctor has prescribed? He said, take 6 capsules a day for 7 days. So 42. It makes it 42, but give me 60 or 42, whatever you want. So I said, I'll give you free of cost. I'll not charge you anything. What you have to do me, give me a favor. He said, what? So I told him, you have to give me a report of platelet count when you start the therapy with IgTG Fort.
अच्छा
And after that, when this therapy is completed of 6-7 days, 42 capsules are given, what is the platelet count? Then on that context, definitely I'll give you.
ऑलराइट
So I gave him that, couriered him, and he did that platelet count test
अच्छा
in the laboratory, like Dr. Lal Path Labs. So the platelet count was 30,000 when the therapy was started. So in 5 days only, the platelet count went 5 times, 150,000. Normally,
5 days?
In 5 days. Yes, that was a really.
Okay.
See, that is the type of invention, something like. So I gave a thought, ki, how is it happening? Like 30,000 has become 150,000.
150,000
And this is a talk of 2012. And that time, dengue came with its all its peak. So that also was having the same symptoms. Platelet count was down in the patients. That is what is the really cause of death in dengue.
Okay.
The platelets count abnormally come down. They come to 4,000, 5,000. Normally you require 150,000 is the platelet count. It comes down to 5,000, 4,000, then it causes bleeding in the organs because
Okay.
platelets are responsible for clotting of the blood. So when platelets are
Clotting
not,
of the bloods
so when
also.
platelets are not there or reduced,
Acha.
your body can bleed.
So.
So
Mhm.
so I got to my boss, our chairman emeritus, and I told him ki Dr. KD Singh that if this is working in particular therapy like chemotherapy, the indication is the same. Platelet count in cancer, and this is dengue. Platelet counts are coming down. So if we try this in dengue, maybe it works wonders. Then we work back on how is it working. We work back on the basics. We got a science behind it. We got a science behind it that is working. Why?
Okay.
Then then we got many doctors and use this brand because there is till date there is no treatment available for dengue.
Acha.
There is no vaccine.
So
There is nothing.
any date specification?
Like
Any date specification कि कब ये brand आया सर?
the brand तो we had in the kitty since 2005, but
अच्छा,
actually we started
2005.
promoting it as a major brand in 2012, and this was one thing which I am telling you.
2012 में
Yeah,
था.
we started
ठीक है,
promoting
ठीक
it
है,
in that way. So that when the doctors tried, we told the doctors what option you have to treat dengue as of now, even if you don't believe what we say. So we didn't have any options. That time there is no option available. Until date there is no vaccine available for dengue. There is nothing. You have to treat with normal paracetamol and drips, and there is no other treatment for dengue. No other treatment. Or except when the platelet count goes very low, you have to transfuse the platelets. आपको platelets देने पड़ेंगे patient को. You would have seen during dengue time people ask for platelets. People make a query in the newspaper कि you need platelets for. So that time when you see this particular medicine, it's not a medicine, it's a supplement, help the patient increase platelet count 5 times in 3 to 4 days only. That was the result, and then it started blowing.
3 to 4 days में.
Yes. So whatever the count is, if you can give this patient IgTG food, colostrum, which is extracted from cow's milk.
It is a supplement, right?
It's a supplement. It has no side effects. It is extracted from the cow's milk. It's a natural product. It is not. Please don't classify it as a medicine. It's a supplement.
Supplement.
It's sold as a food. It's a superfood. It's been called. It isn't called a superfood.
Okay, okay.
So that changed the life story of this brand. This brand actually we came to know. Then we started talking to doctors. Is it dengue? Then it's working in chikungunya. It is working in where the word is virus. IgTD food works because it contains the world's most effective antiviral, which is lactoferrin in it. This colostrum contains lactoferrin. So this is the natural antivirus which is available on earth.
So can we get this without any prescription?
See, this is in US if you go,
अच्छा.
it is available on OTC, on table counter.
ठीक है.
And since it is a supplement, you can definitely get it. There is no problem about it. But if it is taken in the supervision of a doctor, then it makes all the much more better sense. Because the doctors because once we started with this brand and we went with this brand, but doctors found it very useful because we interacted the field force to doctors. So when doctors learned about the product, we were the first company in India to talk about this product to the doctors. They are not aware of this. So we told them that it is not only nationally recognized. We got prescribed this brand in All Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi also. We got a tender from Army Hospital also to supply IgTG food. And there are a lot of international journals which have been talking about this use of bovine colostrum. Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology, European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, American College of Cardiology, New England Journal of Medicine, and US FDA even. They have recognized that this colostrum works. So that is how the story has begun, and that is how we're taking it forward.
तो इसमें सर कहा जाता है कि आयरन की जो हम सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं तो उसमें कैसे बेनिफिट करता है ये?
देखिए आयरन सप्लीमेंट
दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट.
दैट इज अ टोटली डिफरेंट. वो तो टोटली डिफरेंट है. आयरन सी आप वेलनेस की तरफ जाएंगे. आयरन डेफिशिएंसी जो हमें टैबलेट्स दी जाती हैं, जो हम आयरन के लिए टैबलेट लेते हैं, तो अगर हम बैलेंस फूड लेंगे, इफ वी टेक अ बैलेंस फूड डाइट, व्हाई डू हैव सच डेफिशिएंसीज? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट टेकिंग our diet properly. Our diet is not balanced. Our diet is not rich in the vegetables that you eat, fruits that you take. If you make a balanced diet, then definitely no one would have nutritional deficiency for that matter. That should not be a disease. It should be something which should be treated with your food. Hippocrates had said that your food is going to be your medicine. आपका medicine जो आपका food है वही आपकी medicine है. Right. तो अगर food आप right लेंगे, you will not and you are with wellness, then definitely you will not progress to any disease or illness. आप जाएंगे नहीं illness की तरफ तक.
एक आपकी कैंपेन है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जो कि एक फिलॉसफी की तरह लगती है सर, क्योंकि मेरे पास माँ है.
Yeah.
हमने ऑब्वियसली सुना है ये डायलॉग अमिताभ बच्चन जी से, मेरे पास गाड़ी है बंगला आपके पास क्या है. बट यू टोल्ड मी दिस फिलॉसफी, इमोशनल फिलॉसफी लाइक क्योंकि मेरे पास माँ है. तो व्हाट इज़ द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट एंड हाउ डज इट रिफ्लेक्ट चेयरमैन एमरिटस डॉक्टर के.डी. सेन के साथ भी?
See, this actually story is wonderful. When we were launching this brand, bovine colostrum, this is extracted from the cow's milk.
Okay.
Once a child is born, you must be seeing the doctors advise the mothers to breastfeed the baby for initial 72 hours. The reason is that colostrum is secreted in the mother's milk for those 72 hours, which protects the little born child from all infections which are around. It gives them immunity to fight infections because the child is most susceptible during those time when he's born. He's prone to infections. To protect them, doctors advise mothers to breastfeed because colostrum is released in the milk, right?
Okay.
Now that child has transformed his journey. He has become adult. He has more challenges. आपको क्या लगता है उसके challenges कम है अभी कि अभी ज़्यादा हैं जब वो बड़ा हो
So
गया?
obviously वो जब बड़े होते हैं तो चैलेंजेस
ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा हो
है
जाते हैं.
because of environment,
Because
because
of
of pollution,
environment,
because of contamination, because of adulterated food.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल.
So he needs that immunity all the more. From where he will get that immunity now? That time the breast milk he got the breast milk or she got the breast milk from the mothers which contained colostrum. From where he'll get the immunity now? To solve that purpose,
Okay.
we got that immunity from the cow's milk. When the cow gives birth to the calf, that milk which is secreted in the initial 72 hours, we extract colostrum
Okay.
from it and that we package into this
Okay.
capsule and then it is given to patients. So to fill that
Okay,
gap of
alright.
immunity, to fill that gap of immunity, which a child has even more challenges to face now when he is grown as an adult. वो बड़ा हो चुका है, उसको और ज़्यादा मुसीबत है because of environment, contamination, then adulteration. चारों तरफ he does not get a total secure environment to live in. So that time he needs immunity all the more. So from where he'll get that immunity? And that is immunity is provided by IgTG4, that is bovine colostrum.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरे पास माँ है, बहुत अच्छा डायलॉग था, हमने इसको यूज किया. रीजन बीइंग कि वंस यू से दैट कि मुझे तेरे पास बैंक बैलेंस है, स्कूटर है, तेरे पास क्या है? Then he said मेरे पास माँ है. So माँ is like gives a protective shield. So we are telling that कि I am not afraid of chikungunya, dengue, hepatitis क्योंकि मेरे पास माँ है. Because of immunity from the mother's milk. Even cow is the mother.
बिल्कुल.
So we have immunity from the mother's milk. So we are not afraid of anything. I'm not afraid of any disease, that any disease will hamper me or I will not be able to take it forward or I will die. I have a shield of immunity which is provided to me from my mother. Mother. Maybe it is mother cow, but it is from a mother which protects it. तो इसलिए हमने ये as a promote किया कि आपको घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. To all people, all doctors across the country.
So who can use it?
See, anybody can use it. Anybody can use it. Anybody who feels that there are weakened immunity.
Any like age criteria requires?
Age criteria, देखिए age criteria के लिए तो even we have given to pediatricians also. So I was on a visit to in Nagpur. The doctor asked me and there was at that time a dengue fever which was around. So doctor asked me कि how to give this. I told him use in dengue fever. उसने पूछा कि इसको कैसे यूज करेंगे child में. So I told him take the capsule out.
All right.
Put it on a spoon, mix it with honey, and let the child take it. You can put it on his tongue.
अच्छा.
So that way a child can also be given. There is no. It is again from the cow's milk. So I don't think so. It is not, and there is no reported such adverse event in any child also. This is something very natural.
तो like pediatrician के पास हम जा सकते हैं?
हाँ जा सकते हैं. We go to any, but go to any specialty. You go to physician, general physician, surgeon. They're using it in different ways and. Amidst like a surgeon is using it in wound healing. It helps in wound healing. Now what a doctor had prescribed to a patient, 60 capsules he took from us. Then within that dose was for around one month. So he called me after 10 days कि I need more 60 capsules. So it created a curiosity कि why he is taking it, dose is not complete. So I asked him कि why do you need more 60 capsules? Because we normally ask कि once your dose is there with you, why you not completed it? Though it must be something very profitable for us, we should not have asked. But I asked because that is. So I asked him why do you need it? कहते नहीं, doctor is applying this capsule on the wound. It's something dressing, wound dressing.
Okay.
So the wound is big. So at one point of time, it takes 5 to 10 capsules to dress that wound. So that is why my capsules are finished. So I need it more.
अच्छा अच्छा
So that is the power of IGTG Fort colostrum, that it is being used in wound healing also. The patient has a wounds, diabetic foot ulcers, जहाँ पर लोगों को पैर तक काटना पड़ता है when the foot is not amputation होता है foot का,
ओके
when it causes sores and tumors. So there we that apply that capsule on the infected wound, and only normal dressing that you do, this helps in healing of wound faster, and there is a patent already we applied for it.
ओके ओके
कि it helps in wound healing faster as compared to the normal dressing that you do without colostrum. So these are special colostrum dressings which are done with our brand IGTG Fort.
तो ऑब्वियसली हमारे ऑडियंस को ये जानना चाहिए क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें हम ऑडियंस को जनरली हम बता नहीं पाते हैं
Yes,
right?
yes,
तो ये
yes.
काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें आपके आपके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में हमें पता
This is हमें भी
Right.
we also explored it while we discovered this journey. Before this was not available, not known to anybody.
क्योंकि बिल्कुल नहीं जानते थे ऐसा भी कोई ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स है जो कि मार्केट में अवेलेबल है दैट वी कैन यूज इट
डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि जब उनके पास पेशेंट आता है डायबिटिक फुट अल्सर का, and when his when a person's leg is to be amputated, it's very difficult, very dangerous type, and what the patient will feel. तो पेशेंट टोल्ड अ डॉक्टर कि आप वे कर लो मेरे को, एंड वट एवर मनी यू वॉन्ट टू पुट ऑन द अदर साइड, आई विल पुट दैट मनी. That will be for you. You just get prevent my leg from amputation. That is the level of money people like to spend, because it's a question of life.
Of course.
It cannot be measured in money. So if there is something which can be given and which can treat and support that treatment, then definitely we should go for it. This is something, and that is why it's found used in so many indications. We talked of antiviral. It is the best antiviral. So whether it is
आपने मेंशन किया लाइक एजिंग और वायरल इन्फेक्शंस
antiviral, it is the best antiviral available on earth.
एंड फॉर एजिंग
कोई भी वायरस, अभी आपके पास वायरस आता है इबोला, we have talked about Ebola virus is there, the Hanta was coming, COVID was there. So those who have taken this, definitely they have been treated with it very well. और जो लेगा आगे antivirus, it is going to have, because it has antiviral effect and it is a natural antiviral. Normally जो आप vaccines लेते हैं, normally vaccine is made against a particular strain of virus. Now virus mutates very fast. COVID में भी 3 बार इसका म्यूटेशन हुआ था वायरस का, got so many mutations. तो आप कितनी वैक्सीन्स बनाएंगे कितने स्ट्रेन्स के लिए? You cannot make so many vaccines for so many strains of virus. The need is not for vaccines, the need is for a natural antiviral which is available on earth, which can take care of all viruses, whatever.
Natural.
Till date अभी हमारे पास, मुझे पास जो डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है वो रेबीज का नहीं है. रेबीज इज ऑल्सो वायरल डिजीज, द पेशेंट डाइज इमीडिएटली इन स्पैन ऑफ 10-15 days. उसका मेरे पास डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है. बाकी टिल दिस टाइम एंटायर वायरल इन्फेक्शन व्हिच आर ऑन अर्थ, वी हैव फाउंड अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट. मतलब इवन HIV in Kerala, doctors, when we use the campaign, we used to get queries from doctors for HIV. It reduces the viral load, and that is the first thing that doctor would like to. If a patient is suffering viral infection, reduce the viral load, and this reduces the viral load.
It seems like wellness revolution.
Yeah, it's a wellness revolution. Yes, it's a wellness revolution.
तो आपका ये जो ब्रांड है IGTG Fort, तो अदर ब्रांड से मतलब कैसा डिफरेंट है मार्केट में? ये थोड़ा मुझे
मार्केट में मैम इस तरह का कोई ब्रांड अवेलेबल ही नहीं था इससे पहले.
कोई ब्रांड
इससे ब्रांड अवेलेबल नहीं था. बोवाइन कोलोस्ट्रम का किसी ने स्टडी भी नहीं किया.
अच्छा.
एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है डॉक्टर रेड्डीज, दे ट्राई टू लॉन्च इट फॉर चिल्ड्रन. डॉक्टर रेड्डी
अच्छा.
दे ट्राई टू लॉन्च इट इन इंडिया. पैडी इम्यून के नाम से उन्होंने बोवाइन कोलोस्ट्रम लॉन्च किया था.
अच्छा.
They went to the doctors also, and huge fanfare with studies they were, but they could not succeed.
Okay.
They launched the powder form, succeed नहीं हो पाया.
अच्छा.
So this is best given in the capsule form, and we are the original manufacturers and marketers of this brand in India. And we are supplying it to different countries across the globe also. There are a lot of doctors.
अच्छा, you are also supplying.
Yeah. There are a lot of queries which keep coming from doctors. So we do that shipment. Those patients who have been prescribed in India, when they go to their countries, they are all the citizens of Canada or US. They take these medicines along. So it is helping them.
तो वैसे मतलब इसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वगैरह सर प्रोडक्ट कैसे होता है? मतलब आपका खुद का ही है?
प्लांट्स है मैम. हमने कोलोस्ट्रम इंडिया में लॉन्च किया जब, तो हमारा अपना प्लांट था.
अच्छा,
खुद का प्लांट था. फिर अभी हम थर्ड पार्टी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कराते हैं फिलहाल. तो बट दैट इज अवेलेबल अभी तो, क्योंकि वी हैव मेड दिस प्रोडक्ट. अभी तो बहुत सारे लोग जो हमको हमारे साथ थे और जो अब नहीं है, उन लोगों ने भी यही ब्रांड शुरू कर दिए कोलोस्ट्रम के बनाने मार्केट में. अच्छा. बिकॉज दिस इज रियली
कॉम्पिटिशंस तो हो ही जाते हैं.
हाँ, इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम वी आर द ओरिजिनल. तो उसके बाद तो डुप्लीकेट्स
तो आ ही जाएगा. आपका एक इम्पोर्टेंट कैंपेन रहा है सर, लाइक वेलनेस प्रीसीड्स इलनेस, क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट सेकंड, और क्योंकि मेरे पास माँ है। तो ये अवेयरनेस नहीं लगती बल्कि एक सोशल मूवमेंट लगता है, राइट? तो आप इससे क्या इनिशिएटिव्स क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं या क्या बदलाव लाना चाह रहे हैं?
देखिए, we have worked for brand management for different pharmaceutical companies. I have worked for. Objective is not selling. Our chairman says objective is not selling.
अच्छा।
Objective is not first
हाँ,
is not
मोस्टली
selling.
सर यही रहता है
लोगों का रहता है पहले सेल
बिल्कुल,
करो,
बिल्कुल।
then that is not. Objective is was very clear when he gave this mandate. Objective is not
हेल्थ
selling.
सेक्टर में तो ऑब्वियसली सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है।
So our chairman Dr. KD Singh says selling should be a byproduct of a good thought, of a good
हाँ,
wellness.
तो ये तो केडी
तो
सिंह का
अगर
बहुत अच्छा
हाँ, तो
मतलब
अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट भी सेल हो जाता है उसके साथ, एक अच्छे उसके
हाँ,
साथ,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
where the patient feels better about it and the patient is confident about taking it, and the patient self takes it, find it useful, he will definitely come back to you.
डेफिनेटली कम बैक। हाँ,
So I have so many patients who come back to me again, and the doctor has prescribed again. They come back to me कि yes, I have definitely got
बिल्कुल सर।
benefited, तो मुझे दोबारा दीजिए. So we give them. So that is what it is. We are really looking for not as a selling proposition mainly. Ours is basically a movement that is a wellness revolution, and we want, ऐसा हम चाहते हैं कि इतने wellness clinics जितने हमारी constituencies हैं इंडिया में 543 as of now.
543।
Yeah.
ओके।
So उतने कम से कम wellness clinics हम इंडिया में बनाए हैं, Alchemist Well Clinic. So there where you talk about not medicines, we talk about wellness. कोई भी आपको बताया जाए आपकी न्यूट्रिशन में क्या दिक्कत है, आप न्यूट्रिशन से कैसे सुधर सकते हो, सो दैट यू डोंट राइज टू द पॉइंट ऑफ इलनेस. आप इलनेस के पॉइंट तक पहुंचे ही नहीं, वहीं पे आपको ट्रीट कर दिया जाए बिफोर इलनेस अराइव्स. तो माय विजन इज दैट, माय चेयरमैन विजन इज दैट इट शुड हैव Alchemist Wellness should have around 543 clinics around every constituency. On every district of India should have one clinic. If we can raise a funding for that, then definitely it is possible. And the initiative is very noble. No company will invest in it. Reason being, people are interested in illness, not in wellness. Companies, big pharma companies are.
इन्वेस्टर को तो वही चाहिए ना।
तो इसमें भी आप you can make a little money in this also, but this will be a proportional of. This will not be multi-fold type.
multi-fold time.
ऐसा नहीं है. It can be a good business venture once you have Alchemist Wellness Clinics, though we operate at less margin. So something we should do for society also, not think everything for profit should not be done.
बिल्कुल।
So that is what we are doing. Campaign, all like we started with the Quit India campaign. Now Quit India campaign was started in 8 August 1942. It brought the end of the British Empire when we got independence on 15th August 1947. So we launched a campaign on 2016.
Quit India movement.
Quit India movement. Now Quit India was that, like, quit anemia deficiency, quit India. Weak immunity, quit India. Calcium deficiency, quit India. So what was the part of the campaign was, this was a campaign we did in Connaught Place, New Delhi, and we got all the teams together, 1,000 people, and all people we started the campaign.
ये क्या था सर?
उसके अंदर क्या था मैम कि जो भी डॉक्टर who was prescribing the medicine, IGTG Fort, और we will support the patient 50% therapy free of cost. जो भी patient ने purchase की. What the patient used to do, we had given the coupons to the doctor, 5 envelopes to the doctor कि आप 5 patients को ये patient medicine recommend कर सकते हो. जितनी भी patient खरीदेगा, however 10, 20, 50, we will match it 50% from our side, free of cost. So we used to write a letter to the doctor also कि doctor, this patient of yours, we got a coupon handwritten and the prescription of the bill of the chemist कि this has been purchased. So we have supplied to this address. So the doctor also knows that the medicine is gone and patient also knows the medicine is gone to him. So we created a chain and it was a very successful campaign.
तो साल क्या था लगभग?
2006. अभी भी our chairman has said, our chairman Dr. KD Singh told us कि if anybody feels that he is not able to afford treatment, then you do give him free of cost. Don't charge anything. So that is such he is a great human being. So we do give. So whatever money that is gone, he fills it from his own side. Whatever money is that was financed by Dr. KD Singh Foundation, that entire campaign. So Quit India was like it was the second largest Quit India movement that started after India's independence. So for the first time, so we said anemia Quit India, calcium deficiency Quit India, weak immunity Quit India. So that was the theme behind this.
After independence.
Yes.
आपने इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अफ्रीका, कई सारे देशों में आपने काम किया है, तो ग्लोबल मेडिकल फ्रैटर्निटी वहाँ क्या रिस्पॉन्ड किया है आपके वेलनेस प्रोसीज इलनेस पे?
देखिए, ग्लोबल फ्रेटर्निटी विल टेक टाइम टू रिस्पॉन्ड. Global,
Okay.
it takes time to respond. But medical treatment का जो अभी आपका इंडिया में है, it is all, see, these days we don't follow any guideline of any country. These are all
Okay.
WHO guidelines or the guidelines which are given from American Society of Cardiology or American Society of Diabetology. These are all international guidelines which are followed across. The treatment procedures are all same. Everybody wants that. Everybody in the world is now moving towards wellness. After that
Of course.
COVID-19,
हाँ,
this
ये pandemic तो
entire
बड़ा।
thing has changed. So they are all moving towards wellness and anything that fills the space. So we are trying to have product registrations in different countries like UAE, GCC countries, MENA region, Africa. So we are escorting out those distributors who can be, partner in this initiative and this wellness clinics across the world as well. Response is very good. There are doctors who have gone from India and who are practicing out there. They are prescribing to the set of citizens in India, and we supply them through this international couriers like FedEx and all. Couriers are going across the country, across the world. So once the product is registered in those countries, they will be available in those countries without having to be sent from India. That is what thing we are going to change.
और आपने इंटरनेशनल और फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री में भी काफ़ी सारे लाइक आपका टच रहा है, आपने
Yeah.
काम किया है,
Yeah.
right? तो ये कैसा आपके लिए लेसन रहा है जो कि हमारे ऑडियंस को आप समझाना चाहेंगे?
देखिए इंटरनेशनल में भी यही इंडिया वाले ही मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं
Okay.
एंड इट इज नो समथिंग व्हिच इज डिफरेंट.
अच्छा।
दीज आर ऑल इंटरनेशनली अवेलेबल. जो पेटेंटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स जो वर्ल्ड वाइड हैं, जब ऑफ पेटेंट जाते हैं तो दैट इज ओनली इंडियन मेडिसिन सब्स्टिट्यूट देम. इवन वर्ल्ड में इंडिया इज द बिगेस्ट सप्लायर ऑफ द जेनरिक मेडिसिन.
मेडिसिन्स
बिगेस्ट सप्लायर
Biggest
सारे वर्ल्ड में
supplier.
इंडिया की मेडिसिन है. इंडिया इज नो लेस.
ऑफ कोर्स.
सो इंडिया एज द प्रोडक्ट उसका सिर्फ क्राइटेरिया पेटेंट तक ही उस कंपनी का पेटेंट है. जब तक ही वो
Depends,
कंपनी
हाँ.
मोनोपोली एंजॉय करती है. बाद में इट इज सो कॉस्टली. अदरवाइज पेटेंट मेडिसिन सो कॉस्टली that they can only be replaced if they want to really give to help the patient. You have to go for Indian medicines. Indian medicines, they give quality also. They inspect, these countries come and inspect their facilities in India, that they are being prescribed. They have been there, the manufacturing processes are right, all quality controls have been taken care.
Okay.
So they ensure that a citizen even in US gets the best medicine. So our generic quality is the best. It goes through inspections, so many inspections, and we are exporting it. So it's all India, all across the world.
इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ मिथ कि हम कह सकते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
नहीं,
in terms of
international, no.
medicines.
It's international. Being international market is being filled with only Indian brands.
Indian brands.
They are only marketed from India. They're only
That's
being taken
great.
from India.
ये तो हमको बिल्कुल पता भी नहीं था.
India is the biggest generic supplier.
Oh,
It's a medicine factory of the world.
that's great.
Now there is a shortage of cancer drugs across the world. So they have asked India. India have called up US FDA and all those authorities have called up Indian manufacturers to speed up the production. They
Great.
cannot match what factory. Now even when you got the COVID shot, that vaccine which was given, the company Serum Institute multiplied crores of copies of that Oxford drug, which was the COVID vaccine, Covishield that you got. So they built it and we had the capacity to produce crores of vials here.
बट न्यूज़ में हमने जनरली यही देखा है कि जो यूएस के ब्रांड्स है वो ज़्यादा मतलब लाइक ब्रांड लीड कर रहा है.
ऐसा मैं पेटेंटेड
like
प्रोडक्ट्स की वजह से लीड कर रहा है. उसकी प्राइसिंग भी ज़्यादा है वहाँ पर. लेकिन जब इफ यू कम टू ऑल ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट वर्दी ऑफ हैविंग बिग कॉस्टली मेडिसिन. सो अल्टीमेटली as the drug goes off the patent, it is the only Indian medicine which fill the space. There are a number of factories in India, all big companies having their exports into these
तो
countries.
कोई ऐसे ब्रांड्स है मेडिसिन के जो कि यूएस ने पेटेंट ले रखा हुआ हमारे इंडिया का कोई ऐसा
अभी एक यूएसए अभी एक ऑफ पेटेंट हुआ है GLP-1 ड्रग्स एक आती हैं सेमीग्लूटाइड और इंजेक्शंस जो वेट लॉस के लिए यूज हो रहे हैं. अभी वो आज तक वो पेटेंट था उसका. तो अभी इंडिया में भी पेटेंट खत्म हुआ. सो मेनी ड्रग्स हैव फ्लडेड द मार्केट. नाउ द कॉस्ट हैज कम डाउन टू इवन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ व्हाट इट वाज सेलिंग. So ultimately, it is the Indian industry which is going to dominate. They are going to depend on India forever.
सर आज पूरी दुनिया प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर की तरफ बढ़ रही है, राइट? तो अल्केमिस्ट वेलनेस और IGTG फोर्टे जो ब्रांड है, तो नेक्स्ट 5 years के अराउंड में आप इसको कहाँ तक देखना चाहते हैं जो कि लीड करे?
I told you I want to see 543 Alchemist wellness clinics across the country. For this first ambition. Then this brand will definitely, when it is being used and when people will come to know more about it through this podcast or many other things which we are already going on social media, it is being used for the treatment of even hair regrowth and even preventing hair fall,
All right.
right? So I think it is going to be a general brand available in India as a OTC product also, and it is going to make a revolution. So I see this brand touching 100 crores in next 5 years. This brand would, and it will be the, it will not be the first
Sir,
time
100
purchase.
crores you are saying, right?
Yeah. It will not be the first. It will not be the first purchase and it will end. It will get repurchased. But once the patient will take it, I have experience of talking to about 20,000 doctors and around 1 lakh patients. So any patient who has taken it, he found that he has found a difference in his life, and he has definitely made an attempt to take it again and again. So it
That's
becomes
great.
it will become a part of the family.
Of course.
Yes.
और मेरा एक पर्सनल सवाल है लाइक सर कि एक विमेन होती है लाइक उनका एज कंपेयर टू मेन कहते हैं कि एजिंग प्रोसेस थोड़ा फास्ट होता है तो इज इट रियली ट्रू या फिर कुछ
एजिंग प्रोसेस
it's a myth.
मैं बताता हूँ आपको कि एजिंग इज अ नॉर्मल प्रोसेस विच हैपेंस टू एवरीबडी. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इज अ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स इन द बॉडी. तो विद एज ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स का प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाता है. दैट इज वाई यू गेट रिंकल्स, यू गेट योर स्किन फेडिंग. तो बहुत सारे सिम्टम्स जो आते हैं एजिंग के, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लेस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स विच डिक्रीजेज विद एज. सो वो
Okay.
सिक्रीट ही नहीं होता. तो उसका सिर्फ ट्रीटमेंट यही है कि इफ यू कैन सप्लीमेंट दोज ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. अगर आपको
Outside
ग्रोथ
मतलब
हार्मोन
सर?
बाहर से दे दो आप ग्रोथ हार्मोन जो बॉडी में कम आपकी बॉडी प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पा रही.
बिल्कुल
If you can supplement it from outside, if you have some certain thing which you can supplement from outside, then your aging will be reversed. आजकल तो पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही एजिंग का चल रहा है. सो आपको जानकर बताने का मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि कोलेस्ट्रम, बोवाइन कोलेस्ट्रम, IgTG4 is a direct supplementation of growth hormones. So it reverses the aging. Now aging is talked about totally different. आपकी एज हो सकती है आपकी 50, but your biological age will be 25, 30. Do you think that these people who are making so much of money in AI, Elon Musk and all,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
they want to die? They want to
नहीं.
live for 100 years, 150 years. They are trying to experiment those new medicines which can make the human span for 150 years. Longevity is them talking about. Nobody is talking about. They're talking longevity. Now the research has shifted towards ki how can we ensure that a human lives for 150 years. तो वो वही प्रोसेस अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं कि क्या आपके पास कोई रीजनरेटिव मेडिसिन है जो रीजनरेट कर सकती है, जो खत्म हो गया सेल उसको रिप्लेस कर सकती है. बॉडी की एबिलिटी विद टाइम
तो
नॉर्मल.
ऐसा मुमकिन है संभव है
या
सर
बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है.
ओके
अगर मैं आपको देखिए एक नेस्ले का कैंपेन था 100 साल जियो. तो 100 साल जियो 100 साल जियो दे यूज्ड टू राइट कि गुड फूड गुड लाइफ, दैट कैंपेन वाज 100 साल जियो. अब मैं उसको ब्लेसिंग नहीं मानता. रीजन बीइंग कि 100 साल जियो कैन बी गिव पेन आल्सो if you are not well and you are on bed
आज
and
तक ऐसा 50 60 में थोड़े से
तो
इश्यूज होने लगे हैं.
हाँ, तो 100 साल जियो. तो व्हाट वी सब्सक्राइब एंड व्हाट वी कम्युनिकेट इज लॉन्जिविटी, कि आपकी हेल्थ और वेलनेस आपकी लास्ट तक आपके साथ रहे. लॉन्जिविटी, वी डोंट टॉक ऑफ 100 years,
लॉन्जिविटी
we talk of longevity is the word, and longevity is being talked about in the world. Now they have shifted the focus even from illness. Now they're talking about how, because these people have made so much of money, they want to live. They actually want to live on the earth for more than the lifespan of the human. So they're talking of a animal called Hydra. Hydra lives for, that is immortal. It lives for 150 to 100 years. So they are trying to understand if Hydra can live, then why cannot human can live? And this is possible. हर चीज का अब एक उत्तर निकल के आ रहा है. पहले बोला जाता था डायबिटीज इज अ प्रोग्रेसिव डिजीज. मतलब आप डायबिटीज लो हो तो आपको अंत तक डायबिटीज की ट्रीटमेंट लेनी पड़ेगी और वो बढ़ती जाएगी. आपने डायबिटीज का ट्रीटमेंट आज लिया, आज आप एक गोली ले रहे हो, कल 2 लोगे, कल 3 लोगे, कॉम्बिनेशन लोगे, और जब वो भी ठीक नहीं होगा तो आपको एक इंसुलिन पर आना पड़ेगा. सो दैट वाज कंसिडर्ड नॉर्मल कि डायबिटीज है तो टिल एंड यू विल हैव, आप इंसुलिन पर आ जाओगे. अभी बोला जा रहा है डायबिटीज कैन बी रिवर्स्ड.
अच्छा,
अभी बोला जा रहा है एजिंग कैन बी रिवर्स्ड. सो व्हेन एजिंग कैन बी रिवर्स्ड, तो अभी लोग अपनी बायोलॉजिकल एज पर काम कर रहे हैं, अभी एक्चुअल एज पे काम नहीं कर रहे. वो माई एज इज 45, बट आई वांट कि माई बॉडी के फंक्शंस, मेरा माई हार्ट, माई किडनी, माई लंग्स, दे आर फंक्शनिंग विद द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द एज ऑफ ए पर्सन हु इज 25 ईयर्स. तो अगर मेरी बॉडी चाहे 50 साल की हो या 45 ईयर्स की हो, अगर मेरी बॉडी के ऑर्गन्स 25 साल की कर रहे हैं उस पे काम, स्ट्रेंथ पे काम, 25 साल वाली एनर्जी है, तो डेफिनेटली आई लिव लॉन्गर. Once I have reduced my biological age. So there are 2 ages now. Your actual age and your biological age. So anything, and this is bovine cholesterol IgG4 help in reversing the aging. This is a component. This is one of the components of the study which is being conducted to reverse aging. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू, आप कोई भी ले, अब रिवर्स एज का सिम्टम आपके सामने आएगा, इवन नॉर्मली भी आप लेते हैं तो आपका एजिंग प्रोसेस विल बी रिप्लेस्ड, यू विल बी रिवर्सिंग योर एजिंग, योर रिंकल्स, ऑल whatever age they are supposed to come, you will delay those symptoms. So bovine colostrum, it is a regenerative medicine. It's a AI type of medicine discovered so long. In fact, the first polio vaccine जो बनी थी, एल्बर्ट सेबिन ने पहली पोलियो वैक्सीन बनाई थी, उसके अंदर जो कंपोनेंट्स लिए गए थे वो बोवाइन कोलेस्ट्रम से लिए गए थे. सो दे टुक इट द कंपोनेंट्स फ्रॉम दिस IgG4 टाइप ऑफ अ प्रिपरेशन.
अच्छा अच्छा.
तो पोलियो वैक्सीन बनाने के अब उसके बाद एंटीबायोटिक्स आ गए, लोगों ने एंटीबायोटिक्स डॉक्टर्स ने लिखने शुरू किए. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि एंटीबायोटिक्स रेजिस्टेंस आ रहा है, एंटीबायोटिक्स आर नॉट वर्किंग, दे आर मतलब दो टाइप ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स व्हिच आर देयर विद अस, दे नॉट वर्किंग. सो अगेन द थिंग इज गोइंग बैक टू द बैक, going to that colostrum that we can take care of, natural thing, and it can be a antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, lot of things. So abhi reversal of aging, reversal of diabetes, all these are things which are becoming normal. There's a new normal. So reversing aging is the new normal, and yes, IgG4 helps you in that.
मेरा सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे कि अगर आपको कई लोगों से, करोड़ों लोगों से बात करने का मौका दिया जाए और सिर्फ आपके पास 1 मिनट हो, तो आप हेल्थ, इम्यूनिटी और फैमिली वेलबींग के लिए क्या
मैं सिर्फ यही बोलूँगा, वेलनेस प्रीसीड्स इलनेस, वेलनेस प्रीसीड्स इलनेस, वेलनेस प्रीसीड्स इलनेस. आप अपनी वेलनेस की तरफ ध्यान रखें, इलनेस आपको नहीं आएगी. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग स्वस्थ रहें, आप बीमारी की तरफ ना बढ़े, आप अपनी वेलनेस की तरफ काम करें. तो देश पर भी चिकित्सा का जो भार है, चिकित्सा पे जो व्यय है, वो भी कम होगा अगर हम वेलनेस पर ध्यान लगाएंगे. तो आने वाली जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, अगर हम आज से भी शुरू करें, वी स्टार्ट द कैंपेन मूवमेंट टुडे, बट इट रिक्वायर्स अ participation. Alone alchemists cannot do it. It requires a participation from government efforts along with. We cannot. It's a very vast country. So we want that someone should come along with us in this journey and take this really great country forward in health and wellness.
It's a kind of fun question. तो आप थोड़ा सा रैपिड फायर की तरह से आंसर.
Yeah.
योगा और जिम.
Yoga.
Okay. And any superfood one that should consume?
IgG4, bovine colostrum.
Okay. And if you define wellness in a one word?
Anything which can, I will say longevity.
That's great.
Longevity. Now, I like to conclude with see, whenever any good thing is done, lot of people come in the way. They do not allow you to, reach your mission and vision. So, I have started on this campaign on wellness precedes illness along with the chairman emeritus Dr. K.D. Singh. So we have a very long way to go in this journey. So we say that woods are lovely, dark and deep, and I have promises to keep and miles to go before we sleep. We really want to make India a country which is full of wellness, whereas we don't see much of illness. तो ऐसा हम बनाना चाहते हैं. और लास्ट में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, आज इन लोगों को मुझे उड़ना है, आसमान को छूना है, और रोक नहीं सकता मुझे कोई इंसान, क्योंकि इंसान धरती पर चलता है और पंख होते केवल पक्षियों के. तो मैं कैसे उड़ सकता हूँ? तो वेलनेस ही मेरे पंख हैं, और ऊंचा उड़ने की और वेलनेस प्रेसिडेंस को ऊंचा ले जाने मैं चाहता हूँ, और IgG4 मेरे संग है. सो आई थिंक आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू अचीव दिस ड्रीम फॉर मी, फॉर माई कंट्री, फॉर माई प्राइम मिनिस्टर, and my chairman emeritus Dr. K.D. Singh, and for alchemists. That is what I want.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining here and for coming here and giving your precious time here.
It's been really worth talking to you, and I think this message reaches across the country and so many people across the world. It will definitely make a difference in the people's lives. Thank you, and thanks a lot.
We will try, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.